to the elders. Great millstone for Christian word, truth being sincere. We not say shalom to the Akim out there as well too. Once again, and this is a lesson that I'm going to bring out, and this is from the Jerusalem Post, published June the 15th, 2023, and it reads: Iran test suicide drones in Gulf. U.S. officials say. And I believe it was a news article that came out from the Jerusalem Post as well too, saying Iran to de-escalate the nuclear programs, as well too, which I highly doubt Iran is going to do that. Iran is not going to defuse the situation. They're going to continue to stir up escalations, and they're going to continue to use their military nuclear capability as well too. But I just want to add a note to that. It says one-way drone was launched Wednesday from the Dask area of Iran against the practice barrage, officials say. It says Iran tested a suicide drone against a practice vessel in the Gulf and firing one other missile or a drone without warning ships in the area. A U.S. official in the region says. It says the one drone was launched Wednesday from the Dask area of the Iran, 8 to 9 miles out of sea, which Iran's territorial waters, against a practical barrage, which officials say citing U.S. intelligence data. Initially, and keep this in mind too, Iran is developing their nuclear capability as well too, which the United States use hard economic sanctions on as well too. So while the United States telling Iran to de-escalate their nuclear program and limit it as well too, but that's highly unlikely. So that's why you're going to see escalation stirring up between the United States and Iran versus Israel as well too. I just want to make another additional note to that as well too. It says initially practical hitting merchant vessels. That's why the only reason why you do that in the Gulf of Oman, the official said. Iran is behind a number of attacks, U.S. say. See, that now you got the United States blaming Iran for multiple different things. And then at the same time, not too long ago, the United States blamed Iran for that missile attack that happened over in eastern Iraq. I believe like 2 or 3 months ago. They blamed them for that as well too, because you got pro-Iranian groups over there in eastern Iraq and throughout parts of Syria as well too. So I just want to add an additional note to that as well too. It says Iran is behind a number of attacks, U.S. says. It says the United States has accused. Iran has been behind a numerous attacks, U.S. official says. It says the United States has accused Iran of beyond a number of attacks since 2019 against the merchant vessels in the strategic Gulf waters, which contain some of the world's most important oil vessels. Right, and keep in mind, the United States and other allies that's allies with, I believe that was Britain. I believe they reported more of their military capability over there in that Gulf region, especially when Iran, I would say like 2 weeks ago, they had sieged the oil, like an oil vessel or something like that, so keep that in mind as well too. But this was just a quick sit down lesson that I wanted to bring out of Iran tested a suicide drone in the Gulf, U.S. officials said. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makar Kadash. Shalom to the elders, millstone for Christian word, truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim. Scared to the full corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.